Hey guys, it's your girl Josiah the Pink Girl, and today I'm gonna do an interview with the one and only Sonic the Hedgehog.
Sonic grins, feeling a surge of excitement. Hey there, everyone! I'm the one and only Sonic the Hedgehog, and I'm here to answer some of your questions.
Alright, here's the first one. Why?
Bring it on! I'm ready for any question you throw at me.
Okay, number one. What is your favorite thing to do? Is it eating chili dogs or something?
My favorite thing to do?
Yeah.
Well, I love running fast and going on adventures, of course. But I also have a soft spot for chili dogs. They're my favorite snack.
Oh, I can tell. You always eat chili dogs all the time.
Sonic grins, playfully rubbing his stomach. Hey, you got that right. Chili dogs are just too tasty to resist. I always make sure to keep a good supply of them nearby.
Alright, second question. Do you know Sir Hero Jordan?
Yes, I know Sir Hero Jordan. He's an ally of mine. He's a courageous and noble hero who fights for justice.
No, not him. The voice actor.
Oh, you mean the voice actor of Sir Hero Jordan? Yeah, I know him. He's a talented voice actor who brings Sir Hero Jordan to life with his iconic voice.
No, Sir Hero Jordan's not a character. He's actually a real human being. He's a voice actor.
Sonic snaps his fingers, realizing his mistake. Oh, right! I get it now! Yeah, I know the voice actor, Sergio Jordan. He's a real person, not a character. Thanks for clarifying that.
Oh, you're welcome. Alright, third question. What would you do if you ever see Dr. Eggman try to destroy the whole planet?
If I ever saw Dr. Eggman trying to destroy the whole planet, I would do everything in my power to stop him. I wouldn't let that evil mastermind threaten the world like that. I'd use my speed and agility to take him down and make sure he could never cause any more harm.
That's good. Alright, fourth question. What is your opinion about Shadow?
Sonic nods, feeling a bit more serious now. Shadow, huh? He's an interesting one. He's powerful, strong, and has a brooding aura around him. But sometimes, he can be a real pain in the butt. We've had our share of disagreements and fights, but I gotta respect his strength and determination.
Yeah, that's definitely true. He can be edgy a lot, and sometimes he can be grumpy.
Yeah, that's true. Shadow's got that brooding, mysterious vibe going on most of the time. But deep down, he's actually a pretty cool guy. He just has his own way of doing things. And yeah, he can get grumpy sometimes, but that just adds to his charm, you know?
Yeah, that's absolutely true. Alright. Wait, what's this, the fifth question or fourth question? I do not know.
No worries. It's the fifth question. Keep going. I'm enjoying this interview.
Alright. Alright, which supersonic power is better? Supersonic or Supersonic 2?
That's a tough call. Both Supersonic and Supersonic 2 have their own strengths and abilities. But if I had to choose, I'd go with Supersonic 2. The enhanced power and speed it provides really gives me an edge in battles. I mean, who doesn't love going even faster and more powerful, right?
Yeah. Like, I love me some Supersonic 2. I love how the eyes glow to blue instead of red. That's one of my favorite ones.
Yeah, Mason's version of Supersonic looks awesome with the blue glow. It gives him a more intense and powerful look.
What?
I have to say,
I was talking
it's one of
about
my favorite designs as well.
not Mason. You, not Mason. I don't know who Mason is, but I was talking about your Supersonic 2 powers.
Right, sorry about that. If I had to choose, I'd say my own Supersonic 2 powers are definitely the best. I mean, they're a upgraded version of my regular supersonic powers, so they're even more powerful and intense. Not to mention, they make me look pretty awesome, if I do say so myself.
Okay. Alright, sixth question. What is, or do you think Sonic Prime would ever, wait, hold up. Why, oh my god, what isn't about Sonic Prime? Alright, Sonic Prime. Are you mad about Sonic Prime when it ended?
Sonic pauses for a moment, his expression becoming thoughtful. Well, I have mixed feelings about Sonic Prime. It was great seeing different versions of me in various dimensions, but the way it ended... Yeah, I was a bit disappointed that it didn't wrap up everything. I had hoped for a more satisfying conclusion to all the events that happened. But ultimately, I understand that every story needs to end somewhere, and I'll just have to accept the way it played out.
Yeah, because I thought they would have a season 4 or something, but no.
Yeah, it's a shame they didn't make another season. It would have been cool to see more adventures with the different versions of me. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see if they decide to make more episodes in the future.
Alright, seventh. Do you think...
Alright, let's move on to the next question, shall we? Audio, Sonic grins, waiting for the seventh question.
Sonic, I was about to say the seventh question. Okay, seventh question. Do you think that crystal thing from Sonic Prime looks like the Dark Lead Sonic?
Yes, I noticed the resemblance between the crystal thing from Sonic Prime and the Dark Lead Sonic from the comics. They do share some design elements, which could indicate a possible connection between them. It's an interesting theory, and I'd be curious to see if any future Sonic Prime season explores that connection.
Yeah, like, I realized that they have, like, colors behind your, spikes, glowing eyes, the same way Dark Lead Sonic has, like, glowing eyes and purple and blue type things on your spikes and cheeks.
Yeah, you're right. Both the Crystal Thing and Dark Lead Sonic have the same colors, glowing eyes, and tight accessories around the spikes and cheeks. It's definitely a striking similarity, and it makes me wonder if there's a link between them. Maybe there's a connection between their powers or origins. Perhaps they're somehow related, or even connected to each other in some way.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. And, eighth question, what do you think about Silver, from Sonic 06?
Sonic grins as he prepares to answer the question about Silver. Ah, Silver! He's an interesting character. He's from the future, and he has psychic powers. I've worked with him before, and he can be a bit serious and intense, but he's got a good heart, and he's always trying to do the right thing. I respect his determination and dedication to helping others.
Oh, that's cool. Ninth question. Do you think there will ever be a Sonic Adventure 2? I mean, Sonic Adventure 3.
Sonic chuckles softly. Sonic Adventure 2? That'd be awesome!
No,
I
no,
love
no,
the
no,
original
no, no.
Sonic Adventure 2.
No. I meant Sonic Adventure 3. Because Sonic Adventure 2 already happened.
Sonic facepalms, realizing he misunderstood the question. Oh, right, my bad. You said Sonic Adventure 3, not Sonic Adventure 2. Yeah. I've heard about the rumors and speculations about a potential Sonic Adventure 3. I have to admit, I'm a bit excited at the thought of it. Sonic Adventure 1 and 2 were fantastic games, and it would be great to see a third installment in the series.
Cool. And, Next question. Uh, do you think there's gonna be more Sonic mods in Shadow X, Sonic X Shadow Generations?
Sonic thinks for a moment, considering the question about Sonic X Shadow Generations mods. Well, I guess it depends on the community. If there's enough interest and if modders are inspired enough, they may create additional mods for Sonic X Shadow Generations. It's a cool game with a lot of potential for modding, so who knows what kind of creative content the community might come up with. End quote.
Alright, this is the last question right here. Alright, so what do you think Sonic Movie 4 will be about?
Sonic ponders the question about Sonic Movie 4. It's hard to say what exactly Sonic Movie 4 will be about. I'm sure the writers and directors have some exciting ideas in store for us. But if I had to guess, I bet it'll involve new adventures, facing new villains, and meeting new friends. Maybe they'll even explore more of the Sonic lore and introduce some of the other iconic characters from the games. Whatever it is, I'm sure it'll be an awesome ride.
Yeah, that's true. But anyways, this is the end of the video.